Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows 11 displays a black wallpaper altogether, like the whole screen is black, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, you might not know, but the desktop screen is associated with the File Explorer. So, if you are suddenly facing this issue, then restart File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Let the list load. Right click on Windows Explorer and then select Restart. Click on this option here. And the next one is to reboot the PC. Right click on the Start button, select Shutdown or Sign Out and restart the computer. The next solution is to use the default Windows theme. Like this is actually the default Windows theme. Just choose this one. Right click on the Start button, select Settings, go to Personalization, use the light theme or the dark theme, whatever you prefer. I like the dark theme, but you can choose either of the two default Windows themes or either of these six. They won't lead to a black background, at least not all black. The last one is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager, and then expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select Update Drivers. Right click on the second one and then select Update Drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.